Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You want to stop English dubbed audio now. First, confirm the source. Inspect the video title and description for dub indicators, then open the Audio and Subtitles menu to see which tracks exist. If you find multiple audio tracks, note which is labeled English versus the original language. Once done, pause the video so you can change settings without missing content. This step prevents accidental toggles and ensures you switch to original audio deliberately. Now switch the audio track to the original language using the Audio menu. If the site lists language options, pick the non-English one explicitly. Make sure to turn off auto-generated English subtitles that may accompany dub tracks, because they can cause the player to default back. If you're logged in, set your playback preferences or save the chosen audio so future videos from the same uploader follow your choice. Doing this ensures consistent original language playback across sessions. Finish by reloading the page and testing another video from that channel to confirm the English dub is disabled. If your selection resets, clear browser cache, sign out and back in, or disable browser extensions that force language or region changes. If none of this works, message the uploader asking for access to the original track or check for an alternate upload in the native language. One troubleshooting tip: if audio options are missing, try a different browser or the YouTube mobile app to bypass player issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.